Everyone, so welcome back again to my another video. So right
Oh,
now I'm with my ugly sister.
yes.
Is it true that you're ugly?
I don't know.
So I first and foremost I just want to apologize for my a little bit hoarse and raucous voice since I don't know, I've been screaming a lot lately. That's why maybe I had this voice. And by the way, as you can see, my sister's underarms is black. So I think you shouldn't mind that because it might be very distracting for the viewers. Char.
It is
See.
normal.
No, it isn't normal. How can you say that it is normal?
Because it is my nature.
It is your nature, but you have to, clean your underarms so that it wouldn't be a hindrance or a bother for everybody else who is watching or who is sitting beside you because it might be disturbance to them. It could cause a lot of conflict.
Well, my underarms is dili na siya bako, pero itom lang siya.
So how did you cop up with, how did you able to make your underarms smell not bad or not odoring?
Well, I tried my best to put a deodorant every day and wash my underarms every before I sleep.
So what kind of deodorant did you use in your underarms?
Well, kuan, Rexona and Tawas.
Rexona and Tawa, so you
Yes.
mix them. Am I right?
Yes.
Oh, so I have another question for you. So, why haven't you changed your clothes for a while? I think you've been wearing that same clothes for almost 3 days, I guess.
Well, this is not 3 days. In
No, it's 3 days.
2 days. Two
Okay,
days.
2 days
Two
actually.
days.
Okay, okay. I might be a mistake.
2 days. Well, I not. Saan ang English yan?
Saman.
I did not change my clothes because first of all, we have no. Si pa ng sabon.
Oh, sorry.
We have.
So for laundry.
We have no soap for laundry, and second is I have no soap for take a bath and a shampoo because we're poor.
Yeah, it's actually quite right. We're really marginalized today. That's why we aren't able to take a bath for some time. Maybe myself, I didn't even take a bath today because due to lack of supply in soap and also the water. It's very far away, right?
Yes, you have to kabo in the well
Yeah, the well is, and to mention the well is really, it's
deep,
really no, not just deep, but it's really
scary.
scary, or it's really freaky because there's a lot of snakes, there's a lot of frogs barging in, and it's really this, like that. So I have another question for you. So, since you're already a grade 12 student, so how was your research? How was your research so far? Did you do well?
Well, our research is kaan, good. We defend it like in
Oh, so you already defended. I thought
no
it
no no
should
no
be in the grade
design
12.
hearing design
Ah, okay,
hearing.
okay,
The
okay.
design is successful. We revise the questionnaire only, and that's
So,
all.
what will be, since you're an incoming grade 12, what would be your preparation for the next year of your school?
I have no preparation.
So why? So you should be prepared so that you will be able to, to shine out in that new environment you're in.
I have no time for that.
Why didn't you have any time for that? You should, because it's part of your life. You really have to, you know, like you have to um
Well, I am contented with I am right now. That's
so
all.
you said that you're contented, but a while later or a while ago you just said that you were not contented because we have no soap to buy because we're really marginalized. So how come?
Not that. The school life. I am contented.
Oh, the school life. So you're
Yes.
contented about your, your money in school, the things you buy in school. Are you contented enough with it?
Yes, I am contented because I don't even buy in the school. I don't snack.
Really? You don't snack? But how come you did buy some notebook and bags? But it's for school purposes, you know?
Well, I will buy that in the first day of school, in everyday school.
But I have seen you buying something. I did see you buy some, foods in during the during the lunchtime, I guess.
The lunch time is sometimes I buy, but not not every day.
But you did buy. You said you wouldn't buy in school, but you did
Snack.
buy
I said snack, snack, snack.
snacks. But for all the years you've been in school, you didn't buy any snacks.
Yes,
Is it really true?
yes.
Well, what about when you became hungry, when you become famished? What will you do to ease the, hungriness, the famishedness?
Well, I will pangadyo in my classmates.
So you think that your classmates are kind.
Yes, they give me all the time.
So aren't you afraid that your classmate will just like will say that, oh my gosh, Jeannie always, always get my food and I don't have any food to
No,
eat anymore?
no, because my classmate is just like me. They don't even snack every day. They what's that man?
They being
They
so thrifty.
what's that man?
Yeah. So if you said that your classmates or your friends, to be specific, is being the same with you, that you are have a lot of things in common, but how come they can buy things that you cannot buy? So how come they can buy snack and then you didn't?
Well,
There's no similarity in that.
I am not saying that they are similar to me. I am saying that they are tihik-tihik to buy
No,
snack.
you've been talking wrong. What I mean is that you said that you with your classmates or with your friends, to be
Oh my gosh,
specific,
this
are
is my
in the
ate.
same. But how come that they get to buy and then you cannot? You did not.
Guys, si Ate Colkin.
So here's our ati.
Napakahangin.
So
So we will
Wait, sige,
interview our ate.
sige. So first and foremost, I will get to interview you. So what do you think about our ati? Is she beautiful?
Well, she is beautiful. She is perfect in the way in
In the way
But-
she is.
yes.
Oh, really? So, how about her body? Does she look like a model? I bet our ati has a very, very high height that could actually fit the standard of being a model.
Yes. She is a perfect fit for being a model because her height
It's really,
is really high.
yeah, it is. Our ati's height is really in the standard of the modeling. Yes, it's us. It's even you. Ikaw ba dyan ate? Kinsa man dai na nobody else is.
Okay, ikaw na po yung mo interviewin te.
So, itong interview. So, ate,
So ate, do you have a boyfriend?
do you have a boyfriend na kay boyfriend? Kasi may imong uyab karong panahon na. Oh, she's speechless. so, ate left and we've been left out. So I think our show is in the massive, in a massive
Wow,
ML.
ML.
So, Jeannie, I have another question for you. So, are you into playing video games like Mobile Legends?
No.
So, what are you into?
I am watching AK dramas.
So, what K-drama do you prepare? So, what is the current? I mean, what is the most currently watch? What is your current your current preferred K-drama watch list right now?
I like the rom-com genre.
Can you please state the specific title of the K-drama?
First is Lovely Runner, Queen of Tears, is Impossible Higher than
Okay. That's
Wedding Impossible.
okay. Let's stop there. So let's talk about the Lovely Runner. So how was the Lovely Runner turns out? Is it a very wonderful story or not?
Yes, it is a very wonderful story. The character is so funny.
Really, the character? You mean the
The
antagonist, protagonist, or the supporting character, or the leading man? Whose character?
Basta may English na bida.
The antagonist.
Yes,
Ah,
antagonist.
sorry, it's the protagonist.
Ah, pro-
Antagonist.
Ada!
Basta the bida.
Yes,
We all
the
know what
bida.
bida, right? Yeah, just then how come you get to understand the language of the Korean? We all know that without the subtitle you cannot understand any. And what's the use of having a subtitle if what you're watching is a Korean language? Char. What
Well, I
is
will
it?
focus in the subtitle.
But focusing on the subtitle means you would be able to recognize the a good accent in English. Now, I'm not being, being so greedy here. It's just that when you watch a drama, your English is will not be good since you're just watching a subtitle. You're just going to improve your reading comprehension. And how about the accent, the way you speak? How can you improve your communication skills with just
Well, I can say is I don't care about my accent.
So it's been 12 minutes, so we have to film another video.
Yes.
Are you okay with that?
See you in part 2.
So, okay.